Hello and welcome to another episode of Bedo's Adventures channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to record the easiest way on your phone. So you need to download this app which is called Google Play Games, and then simply open it and just click that circle. So click the red circle and you will record. And by the way, in this video I will open the clan chest for you guys. So do you think I will get anything good from this clan chest? Let's see. Gold, goblins, ice spirit, Valkyrie, one balloon, nothing good. So that's all about this video. See you next time and bye bye.